Hi everybody, I'm here at East 24th Place South in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Three bedroom, 1.5 bath, 2-car garage, a nice neighborhood, gorgeous trees, great little neighborhood. Unfortunately, it's never a good sign when you see garages boarded up. It's in the window, so let's go see what's inside of the property. It's never a good sign too. I got a lockbox code for these, but these didn't have a lockbox. The actually keys were sitting in the mailbox, so different code enforcement lanes. Oh man, never a good sign. The most recent inspection was December of 2025, so this has been not inspected for some time. Man, that's sad. Yeah, this is an old house. 55. Oh, so much stuff. I'm not going to even go in the garage. Can't get to it. Let's see, the HVAC's been pulled out, old. Yeah, these, sad when you see a lot of these porta potties. It's gets to the other bathroom. Stroller, storage. Oh. It's sad because when you see stuff like this where it's just pile and pile of trash, it just makes you feel hard to go out. From person lived here and passed away, no family going, you know, maybe family did come in, and you know, but likely, probably not going to happen. Go around that way. Yeah. Well, that's a storm cellar. It probably is. That's the property at East 24th Place South, Tulsa, Oklahoma.